Hello cruise fans, welcome aboard the Carnival Horizon. Here's a stateroom tour of room 8469, Havana Aft Extended Balcony room. As you can see, this is a Havana appointed room as far as the decoration is concerned. It'll have the basics. Here's your couch, which can be turned into a bed if you have any more people staying in the room. We do have this room set up for a king bed. It can be broken up into twin beds if you needed to. Here's your TV. And we'll head right back to what makes this room unique, the Aft Extended Balcony, which is probably my favorite perk of this. If you want beautiful views of the ship and the wake, this is the place to be. And there's your view of the Havana area, which is unique access from this room. But keep in mind, you do have rooms up top that can look down on your balcony, so if privacy is a concern, keep that in mind as well with booking this room. You can book the upper level, but you will have a little bit more noise from the Lido deck up there. Back in the room, make sure the door is closed or the AC will shut off on you. Got your nice Havana decor in here. Very unique. And then we'll head straight into the bathroom. As you can see, it's a pretty standard bathroom as far as the way it's set up. It's got a curtain, which is not my favorite thing to have. I wish it had the glass like the Excel ships do. Especially being a Havana room, you would think it'd have a little bit better appointed items for the price point. But outside of that, it's got plenty of storage and everything you need for your cruise. Now we'll head out here to the closet space. You got your safe, plenty of drawer space to store your things you need for your journey. Here's your two other closets as well. This shelf does flip up, so you can have access to two areas where you can hang dresses or long coats in there, especially for your formal nights. There's your robes. That's the main door. You got your desk. There's your plugins right there. You do have limited plugs in this room, so keep that in mind as well. They have not installed the USBs on the beds, so bring an approved power strip. Again, approved keyword. If you'd like to book this room or any other room on the Carnival Horizon, definitely contact us. We'd love to book this for you. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.